ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮಹಾಕುಂಭದ ಮೆಗಾ ಕವರೇಜ್ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮಹಾಕುಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡೆಬ್ರಾ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಕುಂಭಮೇಳವನ್ನ, ಅವರನ್ನೇ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು, ಡೆಬ್ರಾ.
Nice to see you as well. And it's really an honor to be here at this special event on this special occasion. So I can't tell you how excited we are to be here.
So, how you are getting this vibrancy, this experience?
I'm still trying to digest it and understand it, but I appreciate the fact that everybody has come here just to be together and share this moment. And the togetherness is really interesting. And I love there's all ages, you know, lots of kids, old people. It's wonderful. So.
And there is numbers like yesterday there were around day before yesterday 300 million people visited here.
I don't know how they're going to accommodate, but we've been walking for a long time and we just don't seem to run out of space. So I don't know. You know.
So many people. So many.
Yes. It's wonderful. It's really amazing. So I've been in India. You know, went to Calcutta. Loved Calcutta, Varanasi yesterday, and being here today is really an honor. It's really special.
I think it's the only place in the whole world that there is no caste, creed, rich, poor.
That's right.
No that barriers.
Yes, that's wonderful. Yeah.
How you are sensing those things?
I'm loving that everybody is just really calm and really friendly, and there's lots of, you know, speaking to other people. I'm enjoying it very much.
So, what's your background? Means where you came? What's your qualification? How you came to know about this Kumbha?
Well, we met with the Guru and Sadhus earlier. We had long conversations, and I take lots of notes, and I'm trying to understand the deeper meaning of all of it. But you have to kind of take it in too, and kind of, you know, just let it churn for a while and understand all of this going on. So,
can you share your education background, your life, how you grown up there?
What do I do? I mean, I'm in the entertainment industry in America, so I know you have Ed Sheeran coming here soon, doing a tour here, and so I've kind of been following that. And there's an Indian market in America, which is really exciting for us. So when I go back, you know, I have friends in America who are so jealous that I'm here and that this event. So I can't wait to report back to them how wonderful it is.
So, what's your takeaways from this festival, this gathering?
Well, we have festivals that we run around the world, and we have big festivals in America and other places, and this is just pretty spectacular. So I'll be getting other people to come and visit and come and experience this as well. So
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Deborah. You gave your precious time for us, and you spoke through our viewers. And what's your last means? What's your message to the whole world after seeing these things?
I'm in love with India right now, and I'm really in love with the culture and the entertainment value here. And you know, I believe we need to have more of this in America. So that's my perspective. Always a businesswoman, you know.
Thanks a lot, Deborah, for joining us. Thank you so much. Yeah. ಸೊ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡೆಬ್ರಾ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಒಂದು ಆ ವಿಷಯಗಳೇನಿದಾವೆ, ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಜಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತ ವಿಶೇಷತೆಯನ್ನ, ಆ ಜನಸಾಗರವನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅನುಭವಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜರ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇರಲಿ. ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾನು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಗುಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಮನ್ ಶಿವಪ್ಪ.